How to use HeyGen AI for text to video. Here's exactly how to use it step by step. Step 1. Create a free account or log in if you already have one. You'll land on the dashboard where you can start a new project. Step 2. Choose from a blank template or pick one of the pre-made scenes. Then select your video size, landscape, square, or portrait, depending on where you'll publish it. Step 3. On the left panel, type or paste your text. This is what the AI avatar will say. Step 4. Browse the avatar library and select the presenter you want. You'll see a preview of how they'll look and sound before generating the full video. Step 5. You can add background images, slides, logos, and subtitles. Everything is drag and drop and easy to edit, even if you've never used a video tool before. Step 6. Click Generate Video. Once everything looks right, hit Generate. In a few minutes, HeyGen will create your full video with synced voice, motion, and visuals.